ஸ்டேஜுக்கு இங்கே வரப்போகிறவரை கூப்பிட்றதுக்கே நான் ரொம்ப ப்ரௌடாக ஃபீல் பண்ணுறேன். ஏன்னா பிக் ஃபேன் ஆஃப் ஹிம். அண்ட் நம்ம எல்லாமே அவரோட படத்தை வந்து பார்த்துருப்போம். அண்ட் அவர் வந்து நடித்த படங்கள் ஒவ்வொன்றும் எக்ஸ்ட்ரானரி வேர்ல்ட் கிளாஸ் லெவலில் எக்ஸ்ட்ரானரி ஆக்டர், ரைட்டர். அவரோட ப்ரொடக்ஷனில் வந்த ஒவ்வொரு படமும் சொல்லிகிட்டே போகலாம். வித் லாட்ஸ் ஆஃப் லவ், லெட்ஸ் வெல்கம் அமீர் கான் சார் ஆன் தி ஸ்டேஜ் ப்ளீஸ். தேங்க்யூ.
Good evening, everyone. This is a very special day for all Rajni fans, and I feel that, sir, I'm one of your biggest fans, sir. So I'm really happy to be here today in this joyous day, and it is my honor to be a part of this film with this amazing cast, absolutely amazing cast. And Lokesh as a director, who's someone who, when I shot with Lokesh, I didn't know I was shooting. I normally take 10-15 takes to do a shot. But after one take, he said, okay. And I was like, we haven't started yet. So it was a real amazing pleasure working with you, Lokesh. And I'd like to take this opportunity to congratulate Sun Pictures for this film, and to Lokesh and to the entire cast, and the crew, the DOP, all the people working on this film. All the very best for the 14th of August. That's going to be a very special day for all of us. I'm really honored to be a part of this film. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
Sir, you did so many movies, sir. All great films, sir. What is the one quality, sir, that it's inspired for you to do this movie, sir?
I think Lokesh knows the answer to that. Sir, Lokesh came to meet me, sir. I did not know why he's coming to meet me, sir. And when he came to meet me and he said, it's for Coolie, I want you to do a role in the film. The moment I got to know, sir, it's Coolie and Rajni sir's film, after many, many years, I think for probably first time, sir, I have said yes to a film without hearing script, without hearing anything. I did not want to hear anything. The moment I came to know Rajni sir's Coolie, I just said yes, I'm doing the film. Whatever the role is, whatever it is, I'm doing it, sir. Sir, you're an inspiration to all of us. And we are such big admirers of you, sir. Thank you, sir. This is a small love from me, sir.
Sir, we all know that you are a perfectionist, sir. So you are 100%. You are already...
I'm not so sure.
But we know, sir. So someone like you, sir, if you want to take one thing, one quality from superstar, what will be, sir?
Oh,
one quality.
That's a very difficult thing, because Rajni sir has got so many qualities. To choose one is very difficult. I think his smile, Rajni sir's smile, his smile is such a smile that he just wins your heart over. Am I right, sir? But 1 minute, I want to change my mind. I think it is his eyes. Because in Rajni sir's eyes, every expression is there. If you are the villain, you are going to have a hard time. His look will scare you. If you are the heroine, she will feel you are in love with her. His eyes has every expression. So maybe his eyes. No, I think, wait. Not easy to decide, sir. Sir, I think it is his internal energy. His internal energy is so amazing that whether he is in the professional space or whether he is in the personal space, he always connects with everybody who he is interacting with. And I think that is the most amazing thing about Rajni sir, his internal energy. If there is any one thing that I could get even 5%, sir, it's Rajni sir's internal energy.
Wow, fantastic, sir. Superb, sir. Sir, we have one inside information, sir. I somehow got it, sir. Sir, we heard you always go to shooting very early, sir. Around 4 o'clock you'll go to the shooting, sir. 4:30.
No, I don't go normally 4 o'clock. I normally go when the time is to go, 9 o'clock. But you see the tattoo?
Yeah.
I had to take some time to get ready. And plus, I knew that Rajni sir is always on time. So I cannot risk being late in front of Rajni sir. So that's why for this film, I was going at 4 o'clock.
What is the best thing that you like about Tamil Nadu and Chennai, sir? Final question.
Oh, you know, there are so many things about Tamil Nadu that I love. But the first thing that I love is the food. I love the food.
Sir, நீங்க நம்மால் சார் நீங்க.
I just love the food. That you know, it's the most amazing cuisine that we have from India, and it's one of my favorite cuisines. The food here in Tamil Nadu.
இதுக்கு மேல என்னப்பா வேணும்? Please give a big hand and say
Thank you so much, guys.
Sir. Thank you so much, sir. So sweet of you, sir. Thank you.